Hey guys, we're back on the trail.
Hi.
Today we're at Toro Canyon Ridge Trail in Toro Canyon Park.
Yes.
It's close to Summerland, Santa Barbara area.
And this trail is a 2.4 mile, 580 foot elevation gain out and back trail. And it is lightly trafficked. I think it's more of like a locals hike. But it's supposed to go ahead and have beautiful ocean views with a bench. So we're gonna go check it out for ourselves and enjoy Santa Barbara views.
And as always, we're gonna keep picking up that trash. And here, there's not very much parking spaces. It's like actually next to the road. So just be careful when you get here. And we actually have a hiker buddy today. Say hi, there's
Hello.
Ashley. So yeah, let's get on the trail and let's enjoy.
Let's go.
Here we're at the start of the trail. There isn't a trailhead, but simply a small opening with a well-trekked path. The GPS will take you directly to the spot once you have the address loaded. It is free to enter Toro Canyon Park. For this trail specifically, parking is very limited. As you've seen from the start of the trail, it's basically parking on the side of the road. It shouldn't be a problem finding a spot since the trail is lightly trafficked. We start our ascent up the ridge right away. It's not super steep, but it's a pretty good workout. If you're new to hiking, the incline might be a little difficult, but take your time and feel free to take breaks. The beginning portion of this trail offers pockets of shades as we pass through these beautiful trees. In the distance, we have views of the gorgeous orchards.
So the entire trail is 2.5 miles out and back. However, many folks stop at the viewpoint, which shortens the trek to only 1.2 miles out and back. There is a ton of poison oak on this trail, but it's on the outside of the path. As long as you stick to the trail, you should be fine. Long pants come in handy when trekking through poison oak or poison ivy, but that's totally up to you. Jaime loves wearing his shorts, so he treks at his own risk. This trail is pretty straightforward and there aren't any junctions or splits. That being said, you don't have to worry so much about getting lost. This hike appears to be a local hike, and since there aren't many people on the trail, it's actually pretty peaceful. I wouldn't mind coming here for a quick solo hike just to be at one with nature. As mentioned earlier, we're working our way to a viewpoint so we can check out the Santa Barbara coastline, and typically many hikers stop at that point. The trail technically continues onward, but it is pretty overgrown and eventually leads to a private property. We recommend it if simply trying to burn more calories, especially since that portion is a reverse hike. But other than that, there isn't much else to see on that back end. Wow, that's pretty awesome. These views are gorgeous.
Hey guys, we reached the end. It was actually a really nice trail. It's a pretty quick trail, you can say. I mean,
It's like more of a locals one, huh?
yeah, it's pretty simple.
Yeah.
And you won't find many people out here either.
I think right now we're starting to see a few, like late morning, but when we came up here, it was just one person that we ran into. So it is very lightly trafficked and definitely nice, just quick workout, ocean views, therapeutic if you want to do like a solo hike.
Yep, and just remember, you'll probably feel more of the workout going out than actually coming in.
I mean, if you keep going past the bench anyways.
Yeah, because it's mostly descending on the way there. But either way, we do recommend it. And if you really like benches with views, you can do that. But if you're a new viewer to the channel, please subscribe. And for everyone else that came back, thank you very much. We really appreciate you guys. And if you have a trail that you want to see before you try it out, put it in the comments. We'll try to hit it up for you guys. And leave a like, and we'll see you guys next time.
Later.